Hey everybody, Wayne's Beer Delivery here. So it is that season in September. It is Oktoberfest. And today we start off the Oktoberfest season with Highland Brewing out of Asheville, North Carolina. We have their Clawhammer Oktoberfest Marzen Lager. This is 5.0% alcohol by volume. And let's crack her open and pour it out. I know by the time this video comes out, quite a few of my fellow reviewers have already dived into the Oktoberfest beers and the pumpkin beers, but we've decided to wait until a more traditional time. Look at that dark brown color. Cream color head. Good carbonation. Doesn't smell like your traditional lager, but it smells delicious. So, Prost. That is a good break. It is a nice full-bodied beer. Got a good bit of caramel taste to it. A couple other spices I can't really pick up. I'm sorry I'm not as descriptive as some of you guys. I haven't been doing reviews as long as some people, but all I know is it's a really good tasting beer. Well, even if Oktoberfest in Munich has been canceled this year, there's plenty of Oktoberfest beers out there to celebrate. So, to all my ladies and gents out there, cheers, Prost, whatever you say. Hope you enjoy your day, and we'll see you in the next video. All right, take it easy.